Good morning, April 21st. Wisdom. Joseph Campbell said, "We must be willing to let go of the life we planned so as to have the life that is waiting for us." Our plans are only the visible part of the path, but real life is much grander. Letting go of the planned life is always scary, but it's the only way to learn to swim in a true ocean of possibilities. Allow yourself to exhale expectations. Thank your experience and express readiness to move forward. Say, "I am ready to see what this day actually has in store for me." Advance Embrace. Full audio link in the description.